by 14 airlift, high lifted door. Let's come out here, replace the bottom section. New bottom, put a new roller there as well.